Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing quick unboxing. If you want to see what is inside this box, keep watching. So guys, I got this glassy. It's called Tumblers. Okay. Tumblers, number of items, number of item 6. So there are 6 tumblers inside here. Juice tumblers. So it's of high quality glass. Okay. It's here. High quality glass. That's what they say.
High quality.
That's what they say there. And the name of the product is seasonchina.com. Maybe you can go and check them out. Made in China. So I got this tumbler, and so this is the juicer, power juicer, master chef power juicer. They still call it Crown Star. I don't even know the company that owns it. Is it Master Chef or is it Crown Star? They say extract with large capacity, suitable for all kinds of fruits and vegetables. So you can extract vegetables for you. So this is the description: the feeding tube, the handle, the filter. It has the pump container. It has the juice jug. It has the speed button and the power button. The speed button and the power button is the same. It's the same thing, and they say the Nigerian top brand. I don't know if it is made in Nigeria or not. So they still call it Master Chef and Crown Star. Okay. Oh, maybe they collaborate. So we're just going to open it and see what is inside. So, but first of all, let me just start with the glasses. You can find this in Jumia, though I got it from local store. Yeah, I got it from local store. That's why you didn't see it maybe sealed or this thing. I saw it on Jumia. I wanted buying it from Jumia, then I saw it in the market. So instead of ordering and waiting for it to come, so I rather buy it where I can just pay immediately and pick them. So these are the glasses. Hope you can see them. So this is it. It's really of high quality. It's very thick. The juice glass is very thick, and there are 6 inside. So let me bring them out for you. 1. Let me check if any of them is broken. 2, 3, 4, 5 rather, 6. So they use this to like separate it inside. So I can just put it back like this, and you put them back on. So I'll mostly be using it for my juice. I need to keep it where my kids will not reach it, otherwise they might just go and drag it down and everything will break. I can't shout. So I'm going to cover it. I'm not going to keep it in the I still in the drawer, but it will be on the upper side of it where they cannot reach it, of course, so that they don't break it. Mommy, I wanted to. I don't want that. So this is it for the glass. You can still get it on Jumia. I saw it on Jumia. Jumia is actually an online market, yeah, like Amazon. Why I don't usually shop in Amazon is that I don't know if you can buy in Naira. I don't know, because most time what I see is dollar, euros and all that, and paying with our card here, you have to go and buy dollar refund your dollar card, because the naira currency now, you can't use it on foreign currency. So buying dollar at about I think I bought yesterday for different purpose, like 470 naira per dollar. So by the time I will buy 470 naira per dollar to the equipment or what I want to get from Amazon, when you convert it there, the price will be so high. So that's why I don't usually shop in Amazon. But I'll still, if you know maybe Amazon accepts naira, please let me know in the comment section, because I've not actually taken time to check that out. Yeah, if I can purchase items with naira without maybe sourcing for foreign currency to get what I want. So I decided to be shopping with the Nigerian online markets, which is konga.com or Gigi. Yeah, but mostly I shop with Jumia, because their office is actually very close to where I live. I can just stroke there and pick my item without paying extra charge of them delivering it to me. So this is the juicer. So this is called the, let's be taking it out one at a time. This is called the feeding tube. And this is called the, what is it called? It doesn't have a name. I'm not sure it's the filter, but this is the cover we use to cover the top. We're going to see it when I reassemble it. And this is the there are two things there. This is the one I can call the filter. I think this one is called this one is one I can call the filter, because it has something like iron-like nets, very tiny, that can juice your fruits very well, I'm sure, and I hope so. So this is this here, and this one you place it like this, then place this one on it, because in the market that day we kind of disassemble and assemble all the whole items again together, so everything was totally explained. So this one, they call it together with this one the filter. That is it. Then we have this these two, they are inside. This one is called the pump container. I believe this one will be called the pump container, or I don't know. So one of them will take the residue or the fibers, then one of them, this small one, will collect the juice. When it fills off, you can transfer it to any container you are using. And here comes the engine itself, the machine. So this is it right here. So this one is called the, what is it called there? The handle. Yep, that's what I see there. Yeah, they call it the handle. Use it and press. Then this is the speed button. It is on 0. The 0 is off. I don't know what this star is for. The 0 is off. It has like 2 buttons, 1 and 2. If you want it to juice faster, you set it here. So this is it about the power juicer. So let's kind of assemble it together so that you see how it looks. So this one comes here. So from the way this thing is shaped, I'm able to know this is where it should be, and just take it out and put it back. Then this smaller one, look at the space for it here too, and it has something like hook that you can kind of attach or hook to this cup here that can help it fit properly. So after that, you add this. This one has like a longer point. The longer edge should come this way to kind of help you evacuate the residues, and it's more open. It's bigger than this other point that takes the juice. This one takes the residue. So you kind of fix it like this. I will check for the link of it in Amazon. Maybe if you want to get it online, it's very affordable. Like in the local market, like 7,000 naira, which will be like how many dollars? I don't know, maybe 14. The way dollar is high now, let me see, less than $20. So, and I will put this one inside, and so I'm going to use this to cover it. So use this and cover it, like I'm mentioning that this one is the cover. So you cover it. They call it there's a name they give it there. Is it feeding tube? Okay, but this space is where the feeding goes in. So you use this handle. It kind of, it has this something like spring. Take it up, hook it, and press it down. That's hold. Then the second part, this thing just dances around, but it doesn't fall like that. And you do it like this. So with this, you drop your juice, your vegetable, and press it in. So that is it, guys, about my juicer unboxing. So when you're done doing, you will not leave this here. You just simply put it back inside this bigger one. So that is all about the juice unboxing. If you have the juicer is actually of different type and different prices. So like I said, this one is very, very affordable, $15 or how much, 70k or even less than 7. How much was it? I can't remember. You know, market stuff, no receipts. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be using it to do some of my juicing, and I'll also bring the video to you. Bye.